In 2018, Australia sought two modern slavery legislations be passed both at the Commonwealth level and at the New South Wales level. So the Commonwealth legislation will apply to entities over 100 million of consolidated revenue and began on the 1st of January 2019. Legislation will apply to entities for profit or gain with revenue of between 50 million and 100 million. Now we're lucky enough to be joined by the New South Wales Interim Modern Slavery Commissioner, Jennifer Byrne. Welcome, Jennifer.
Thanks, Karen.
So Jennifer's going to give us a few insights into, I guess, how the New South Wales legislation will apply to organisations and also the impacts for our members. So just let's start with what is modern slavery and how may it occur within Australian organisations.
Okay, well, the phrase modern slavery is a relatively new term. It was created in 2015 in England when the UK enacted the Modern Slavery Act. And what it does is to bring together a whole lot of exploitative practices under the umbrella of modern slavery. And the practices are serious crimes against the person, serious breaches of criminal law. And they include slavery, servitude, forced labour, debt bondage, organ trafficking, and forced marriage. These are very serious crimes, and if these are prosecuted before the courts and a conviction has been determined, then the person convicted may well be imprisoned.
Obviously, both of the Commonwealth and the New South Wales legislations include a reporting requirement for business. So what's that actually going to mean for entities? What are they going to have to do and who's going to have to do it?
Yeah, well, it's pretty amazing really. 2018 saw the enactment of these two major pieces of legislation in Australia, the Commonwealth Modern Slavery Act and the New South Wales Modern Slavery Act. Each act has a reporting scheme and the schemes are complementary. The major difference between the Commonwealth and the New South Wales scheme is the reporting threshold. So in New South Wales, the threshold will come into effect when the organisation has a turnover of $50 million each year, whereas in the Commonwealth the threshold is 100 million.
Excellent. And what are they going to need to report?
Well, what we've done in New South Wales is to develop a scheme that is complementary with the scheme that exists in the Commonwealth Modern Slavery Act. So in both the Commonwealth and in New South Wales, the reporting criteria are the same. There are mandatory criteria that must be addressed by organisations reporting. There are 7 criteria.